leaving the meetup point. It is me and my buddy Doug. I guess the other invites, people fell through. Maybe the chance of rain scared them away. I'm not sure what it was. Maybe they'll just show up at the event. Anyway, I guess that's how it goes sometimes. This is the first time I've been able to do this ride, so I'm kind of interested to see what it is. It's up by the dealer, Chesapeake City Harley Davidson. Usually, from my understanding, it used to get so crowded, like across the street at the fire hall where this thing is taken off from, that they would start to put overflow in the dealership. Hope they have a good turnout like that. Hoping to see a lot of bikes. It's a police escorted ride, not a poker run. Police escorted ride, like 28 miles. That's really not that bad. I'm not sure what to expect though. Is this just a little casual ride through the Harford County, Maryland type of thing? Or is this kind of turn into, well, we're going to drive through the downtown areas and let everyone know that we're here to support those who gave? So I'm interested to find out. Hoping to see some exciting bikes, you know. See what's going on. We've passed a lot on the way here, different gas stations. For me, 9/11 is always one of those things, I guess the other generations had, the boomers had, with like maybe Pearl Harbor or something. You know, you remember where you were. I was a dad working night shift. I was at home chilling with my son on the couch, you know, sitting there watching TV. My sister called and said, "Hey, did you see a plane just hit the World Trade Center?" And I was like, "What?" She was at work. So I went and turned on the news and was like, wow. And then I tuned in just as the second plane. I was like, oh, they're showing a recap. And I was like, oh, no, they're not. This is another one. And I don't know. I really can't describe how that felt. Ominous, like floating over you for weeks. You know, the president had shut down air traffic in the country for at least days, and every time a plane would fly by or over, everybody was looking up. I mean, it took us a long time to get over that. And where I grew up next to an Air National Guard base. I mean, and we had a swimming pool all summer long. We were plagued with C-5s flying over us, and you know, it gets to the point where it wasn't anything. It was just the way it went. There's the Harley Davidson dealership. Looked like there were some people down by the service department. A lot of people. All right, so we're driving in. Let's see what this looks like. Kickstands up is not until 9:45. Or no, 10:45. So I'm really hoping we can get in. Oh, that's nice. Okay, we are at the 9/11 Ride to Remember Memorial Ride. I'm going to do a quick walk through the parking lot. Let's look at some bikes.
Piper, by your command.
By the right, quick, mark!
Alright everybody, I walked you around. You've seen what the cluster this place is for parking. Well, it's not a cluster. Everyone did a great job as far as where to park, when to park, and all that stuff. It's just layers and layers of motorcycles. So, like, we got 3 wide here, 2 wide there, and then it really opens up, and then there's some back there. This is going to be crazy. Okay, so we left the fire department. It was a pretty quick exit, actually, once everybody got moving. They did a great job with parking. I've been on the road for a little while. It's moving kind of slow. Only done 3 miles. A lot of traffic pulled over at first, you know, just to let us out. The ceremony was nice. I've never seen one before. They had the Gold Star. There's the Gold Star family, but we had the Gold Star moms, and they read the names of the 69 people from the state of Maryland that passed away during the 9/11 attacks. Very somber moment. Like, they would read a name, and then they have this huge bell. I'll put a picture of the bell. I'll put a picture of the. I think I have a video of it ringing.
Age 55, American Flight 77. Honor Elizabeth Wayno, age 27, United Flight 93. Linda Rosenbaum, age 41, the World Trade Center.
I didn't want to include too much footage of that just because of a respect thing, and you know, they're reading names off, and if anything, I didn't want to record some names and then not the others and hurt people's feelings, you know, just stupid minnow, get out of your head crap. But it was a great ceremony. I've made you watch most of it. If you're interested, they had pipe guys, bagpipes, pipists. What are they called? I don't know. They were wearing kilts and stuff. It was pretty good. A little national anthem. All right. Guys, we just finished the 9/11 ride and some barbecue. Anya, did you like? Nope, you don't even have to move. It's looking at you right now. Did you like today's ride? Can I put you in the video? Sure. Mark? Good ride? Great ride. Everybody knows Doug. He's trying not to smile because
yeah, it was good.
He's the grumpy guy. Good ride. At the end of the 9/11 ride, things started to get a little wet, so everyone kind of peeled off. Met them here, had a little lunch. Now we are heading back. It was a great ride. I think it was a great ride. The police did a good job of keeping traffic moving as much as they could. You know, with 5 miles of bikes, and you get some accordion action going on, and it's never 100% awesome, but it was fun. I would do this ride again. So that is all I got. Again, if you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Just a little love. And I will talk to you guys later. This is Jerry MinnowMoto signing off. Everybody ride safe, have fun out there, and don't forget to be kind. A little kindness goes a long way. I think I have the quietest motorcycle. I like it. So it is 65 here. Little, like, after real action. I'll leave this at 65. It rained. I did not get wet through my Beyond Riders vented shirt, so that's kind of cool. But now that the wind is kicking up, the air is coming in. Beyond Riders, it might be time for me to put this away for the season. Let's talk about fall and winter gear. What do you want me to try out?